Alright, I put the motors for the windshield wiper pump in. They provided me with these Scotch block things here, or Scotch lock. Well, either I didn't do it quite right. The other one seems tight, so I guess I messed that one up. My water pump didn't work. Windshield washer on the front didn't work, so I said, well, wait a minute, it was working just a minute ago. So this afternoon I pulled the panel and within 10 seconds saw that. It came out of the connector. Now, in order to take this reservoir out and change the pumps, you do have to take the tire off. But if you're just checking the wiring, you don't. You just pull the panel. So I'm going to stick that back in there and give it another go. Lesson learned. Check your connections carefully. Alright. I rewired, or should say fixed the wiring. Two of the Scotch locks had come loose. I think the reason they did is because I didn't push the wire in far enough. That came from the motor to the connector. Seemed like I should have pushed it in so that the insulation was fully inserted all the way into the connector. Because the way they work is the insulation bites, or the little tooth, I guess, in the Scotch block. When you press it with a plier, it presses in and it cuts into the insulation, thus providing an electrical connection, but also a mechanical means of holding the two wires together, because they're, you're biting into the insulation of both of them. So anyway, put them back in, and here's what we got. We've got a power window washer that works. Now I'm gonna show you the one in the back through the rear view mirror. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see if you can. Yeah, you see the water coming out. All right. So the window washers on my 20-year-old minivan now work. Hooray. Next up, the Smart Boot, which got here today from Rock Auto. I read up on it. It seems important to not get grease on anything that's going to be glued, so I'll keep that in mind. I'll have another video about that too, I'm sure.